we all know the popular saying, health is wealth. With me in the studio to help us understand the connection between health and wealth, among other practical insights, is an elite panel consisting of Dr. Timothy Akimurele, Chief Executive Officer of EHAI, and Adesimbo Ukiri, MD CEO of Avon Healthcare Limited. Also, we have Femi Olaleye. He's the Medical Director at Optimal Cancer Care Foundation. Before we get right into this conversation, let's see a bit of statistics. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Okay, let's start with understanding health is wealth and how strong this phrase is. Let's start with you, Mrs. Adesimbo.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be on the program once again. And, you know, I know sometimes it sounds as if it's a cliche that we use, you know, regularly, but people should consider that, you know, their health is actually the greatest asset they have. It's the greatest earning asset that they have, and the state of their health determines their ability to use their body, their brain, their mind to generate an income and to generate revenue. So at the very basic level, no health means no revenue generation. No health means no ability to create an income for yourself. So that is one of the reasons why health is wealth. The second reason why health is wealth is that, you know, no matter what disease condition you're looking at, preventive is actually always cheaper than cure. So when you maintain your health, you ensure that you live healthy, you have very healthy practices, your lifestyle ensures that you are healthy, you catch things, you know, at the beginning stages and take good care of yourself. It means you'll spend really very little on healthcare. But if you don't take good care of yourself, if you don't, you know, have good practices, good lifestyle, then you will start to have all these health conditions that require medication, require other interventions, and you know, you just end up spending a lot of money. So health is wealth. Okay,
so let me come to Mr. Akimurele. We also have a phrase where they say time is money, and sometimes people use that to to justify the reasons why they don't take time to take care of themselves. So what would you say about time being money?
All right, thank you very much. Well, that's kind of like a paradox, because if you don't take care of yourself, you won't have time to make money. You understand? So because if you're sick, you're going to spend your entire time, you know, feeling sick. In fact, what I tell my people is that once you're sick, you can't think of anything else apart from getting well. You can't think of, that's the only thing on your mind. Every other thing becomes secondary. Whatever contract you're chasing, whatever deadlines you have to meet becomes secondary, because health is everything. If you're not feeling fine, you can't do anything. So when you say time is money, if you don't take care of your health to enable you make the money and use the time to make the money, you're going to spend that time taking care of your health. If you don't, you understand, take care. And like she said, the basic things is just to go to health promotion, health prevention, basically speaking, and they're really inexpensive. They don't cost much money. It's just awareness and an understanding and enlightenment, and getting people to know that things you can do that can make you live healthier lives and actually convert that time to money.
Okay, Mr. Olaleye, let's get right into it by understanding how business owners can employ a strategy for growth to include promotion of health.
Yes, following on the previous two speakers, Simbo and Tim, they pointed that we've established the fact that health is wealth and time is money. Now, if you run a business, you're basically running a business to make money. And if you have not taken care of yourself, then you'll be in big trouble. Particularly when it comes to MSME. You know, usually they're one-man businesses, they're small enterprises. So if you, as the owner of the business, you're not there, you cannot make money, because you cannot delegate. You have to physically be there because it's a small organization. Now, how do you now as a business have a strategy to take care of that? You have to first of all recognize that you are the primary #1 asset of your company. So you have to look at around you. If you're a woman, you have to look around you and say, what are these things I must do on an annual basis that will ensure that I have a good, you know, health care profile for the year. So first of all, you need to be fit and healthy. You need to eat well. You need to not skip breakfast. You know, a lot of people think, oh, I could quickly just grab a cup of coffee and then run out of the house. No, you are the primary source of intellectual property, you know, investment of your company. You are the #1 chief executive officer of your company. So you have to take care of yourself, feed yourself first. Then have a weekly menu of, you know, either exercising or jogging or walking, whatever it is that keeps you fit, apart from your diet. And then book an appointment with your doctor to get your, if you're a woman, get your cancer screening done, which is pap smearing, or get your mammogram done if you're over 35. Making sure you do this preventive healthcare test that we know are available and not as expensive. If you're a man and you're over 40, make sure you get your prostate cancer done, assessment done, get your blood pressure checked regularly, and of course, make sure you keep your weight down.